Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. The metric class of a certain high school had to vote for the chairperson of the RCL. The scatter plot below shows the IQ of the 10 learners who received the most votes and the number of votes that they received. Before the election, the popularity of each of these 10 learners was established, and the popularity score out of 100 was assigned to each. The popularity scores and the number of votes of the same 10 learners who received the most votes are shown in the table below. Determine the equation of the least squares regression line for the data given in the table. The equation of the least squares regression line is represented as y is equal to a plus bx. Right? This is an equation of a straight line. It's just from this equation, y is equal to mx plus c, but maybe written like y is equal to c plus mx. So meaning that b is the gradient and a is the y coordinate of the y-intercept. How do we find the equation? We use the calculator. All right, go to mod, and then states. Then we go to this one which says a plus bx. In this calculator is number 2 there, enter 2. And then we enter the values of x and the values of y. Make sure that these values correspond. 32 will go with 9, 89 will go with 22, 35 will go with 10, like that. Let me start by entering the x values. 32 equals 89 equals 35 equals 82 equals 50 equals 59 equals and 81 equals 40 equals 79 equals and then 65. Right, now I want to enter the values of y, so I can go up. Right, 32 goes with what? With 9. You have to check there. And then 89 goes with 22. 35 goes with 10. 82 goes with 21. 50 goes with 11. 59 goes with 15. Then 81 goes with 20. No, 81 goes with 20. 20. And then 40 goes with 12. 79 goes with 19. What am I doing? 79 goes with 19. And then 65 goes with 16. Right, we've entered all the values. Now we press AC and then shift 1. Right, what are we looking for? We're looking for the regression line. So in this calculator is number 5 there. So we enter number 5. See that? And then we have A, we have B. Let's start by finding the value of A. So the value of A, we press 1, then equals. So A is 1,7709, so which is roughly 1,77. Please you can write that one down. A is called 1,77, right? And then now we want B. We don't need to enter the values again. So what you do, you just go to shift 1 again. So shift and then 1, and then we go to regression, which is 5 in this calculator, and then we press B. B is 2, B is 2, and then equals. See, 0,224331 goes on like that. So to 2 decimal places, this is 0,22. Okay, so now we have the values of what? We have the values of a and b, right? So the equation of the regression line would be y is equal to our a, we said a is 1 comma 7 7 plus b we said b is 0 comma 2 2x. Okay, this is the equation of the regression line.